saya, Andreas J. Wilongso, menyatakan dengan tersikhlas bahwa mulai saat ini engkau, Francisca Emilia Chandra, menjadi istri saya. Saya berjanji setia padamu dalam untung dan malam, waktu sehat dan sakit, dan saya mau mencintai dan menghormati engkau seumur hidup saya. Demikianlah janji saya demi Allah dan demi suci ini.
Sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly. And I'd choose you in 100 lifetimes. I'd choose you in 100 worlds. I'd find you. And I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will, when the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take.
Ya, mau ngapain ya?
Mau
I choose you. This is more than just this is etched into eternities. 'Cause he'd choose us in 100 lifetimes. He'd choose us in 100 worlds. He'd find us, and we'd say we do for the rest of our lives. With all that we have, we do. And we will, when the sky turns black and he comes back riding on the clouds. Every day and every moment, every breath we take, we choose you.
Di hadapan Allah kepada Fungsi, saya Francisca Emilia Chandra menyatakan dengan terus terang bahwa mulai saat ini engkau Andreas J. Wilongso menjadi suami saya. Saya berjanji untuk selalu setia kepadamu dalam hidup dan malam, sehat dan sakit, dan saya mau mencintai dan menghormatimu seumur hidup saya. Jangan janji saya di hadapan Allah.
Look into my eyes, dear. Look into my eyes, dear. 'Cause this is where it starts. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life. And this is where it starts. And I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I when the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, and every breath you take, I choose